alaikum, MiniMuslims. My name is Jamal, and I love making wudu. It makes me stay squeaky clean, get ready for salah, and it's lots of fun. So here's how you do it. Step 1. Say Bismillah. Step 2. Wash both hands, and don't forget between your fingers. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. All right. Step 3. Rinse your mouth, swirl and swish the water inside your mouth. Then spit it out. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. MashaAllah! Great job! Step 4. Rinse your nose. Sniff water in with your right hand, then blow it out with your left hand. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good job! Step 5. Wash your entire face, from top to bottom and left to right. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Nice! MashaAllah! Step 6. Washing your arms. Start with your right arm from your fingertips all the way down to your elbows. Don't miss a spot. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now do the same with your left arm. 1, 2, 3. MashaAllah! Step 7. Wipe your head. Start from the front, then go all the way back, and then to the front again, all in one go. You only do this once. Step 8. Wipe your ears, both inside and out. You only do this once. Great job, MashaAllah! Step 9. Wash your feet. Start with your right foot up to your ankles. And don't forget between your toes. Do this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Good. Now do the same with your left foot. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! Now that you're done, say this dua. أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله. Allahumma ja'alni min at-tawwabin waj'alni min al-mutatahhirin. Oh, and here are 3 wudu breakers. Using the bathroom, passing wind, and falling asleep. That's it. Enjoy your salah.